I've yet to make a zero clearance plate for my DeWalt saw. So when I need to cut some slender pieces of wood, I use this little ack with some tape. With some really strong tape, tape over the saw blade slot, and then carefully, with the saw blade running, raise the blade to cut through the tape. And because I'm demonstrating this for you guys with no crown guard attached, I'm just using a feather board. This cut is about 3mm thick. Now usually for safety, I keep my crown guard on. So, with a sharp chisel, I just cut away at the tape so I can get the riving knife into the back of the saw blade. And drop the auxiliary fence. So let's see how slender we rip a piece of wood. This cut is just over 2mm. Moving the fence in, this rip is about 2mm. And then moving the fence in further, I have another couple of cuts. This one's about 1.5mm. And finally, this one is just about 1mm. This is a nice little way to cut veneer to edge up plywood and MDF. I hope you found this useful, and here are some more of my videos.